look at what you're seeing here. So somebody goes into the chat. This could be like ChatGPT, Claude, whatever. And they write something like, what are my health benefits and how do I access them? And the second later, just notice what happens here. Second later, the AI will give you a response to what the health benefits are. But what it also does, and this is kind of interesting, it knows the knowledge of the company and it can do that. What it also does, it says, hey, if you've purchased something like a gym membership, just tell us what kind of benefit you're claiming, the amount you paid. And if you have a receipt, you can just upload it here in the chat. So what the person does goes, great, that's exactly what happened. I just bought a gym membership. It was $1,000 or something, an annual membership. And I'm going to put it in here as a receipt. And what happened is, great, I'll just submit this for you. And what happens here is that it automatically creates a person in this workflow here. This is my colleague Brian here who's filling this out, creates this person in this workflow and triggers the workflow itself to start. Now, in this case, what does this workflow do? Somebody just put in a receipt. So it checks what kind of receipt is it? Is it a gym membership or something else? Seconds later, it has an AI do the work, typical work that a human would do. Is this receipt legitimate? Does it match the amount reported? And is it within the limits? And then it just checks if it's approved or not based on the check of the AI. And if it's approved, it will just send an email seconds later to the person that filled it out, telling them, hey, your gym membership was approved. It's going to get reimbursed in the next payroll processing that goes out with you. Whatever type of request you have, you can just go into your AI, put it in there, and it will know what to do. It will tell you what info they need to actually run the process. In the background, it's going to run this workflow that we saw, and it's going to do the next step, for example, letting you know if it's approved or not. And that could be with an email or on your Teams channel or whatever.